Wait, what?
That's not a burn?
No.
Dang.
It's road rash.
How?
Doing what?
I ate some concrete. I was holding something, I jumped up to skip all the steps. My foot caught the top step, straight down.
No alcohol involved?
No alcohol involved. All right, so I'm trying to expose that beam.
Okay, just so we can get a cut on it.
Yeah. This excavator is a lot stronger than this thing. So if we can make a cut where it's exposed right there,
yeah,
I can wiggle it out and see where else we can cut it.
Okay, sounds good.
And then if I can get some big pieces right here, then we can just cut it to fit in the trailer.
Yeah.
I also have earplugs if you want them, and there's some N95 masks.
Ben, you ever shot a gun? You know how to put these in?
Yeah. So we're gonna cut the exposed I-beam and start to pull it out with the excavator. That way we can get to all the other trash.
Okay. Jeez Louise.
Maybe those blades aren't so good.
It just pinched it in there.
There goes $8 out your paycheck.
Yeah, I know.
All right, Ben, your saw's on next. Let's see if you have the same troubles as I. Yeah. Second blade was a lot easier.
Let's make another cut right there where it's exposed.
Furthest in, so like right there.
Like a 12-foot section.
So this high beam is essentially attached to the entire building. So getting these high beams out means that you have access to the rest of the rubble because you have this just giant obscuring piece. When it started shaking on you, the whole end of that thing went blah, 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 blah. All right, we call this one the pinch and twist. As you can see, there's been a cut made already. Now what he's gonna do is leverage that weakness to his advantage, and he's gonna pull that piece off right there. So here we can see the failure of Ben's cuts. Clearly he didn't do enough. Nice. Nice. Perfect. Oh, you bent this thing to hell.
Oh, I've been through. Yeah.
Huh?
You want to keep trying, or you want new blade?
I'll take a new one. Pull it over this way a little bit. Hold on. Good maneuver right there for sure.